Hi, my name is Dominic Cogan. I'm running a workshop on Sunday, October 20th from 12 to 4 called Rediscovering Celtic Christianity. And I'll be taking three big names as a focus for that workshop. I'll be talking about Pelagius, who's often associated with what's called the Pelagian heresy. I'll be talking about Erigena, Ireland's most well known medieval philosopher, who was also considered a heretic. And both of these guys got into a lot of trouble with the Roman Church. And I'll also be talking about our own Saint Bridget. Was she a saint or was she a goddess? And where does she fit in between the Celtic and the Christian? A few things that you might know about is for the Celts and for the Celtic Christians, the everything was considered sacred, and the imagination was seen as a portal into the sacred. And you've heard of the anum cara, the soul friend idea. That's an idea coming from Pelagius. And then you had from Erigena the idea that there are two great scriptures. There's the great book of nature, and then there's the Bible. And if you want to find out more about this and about how it kind of all went wrong kind of post the 12th century, please come to my workshop.